Hey guys, how's it going? I was gonna wait to make a video till I got to my other garden, but on my way, after I left the garden over at my dad's house, I was driving past and I noticed some plants, and specifically some blackberry plants. There used to be a whole field of it growing, but they mowed it over because they're assholes and they don't care. I guess they don't mind mowing over food. But there was another side right across on the other side of the road where there were a few blackberry plants. And guys, all blackberries right here. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And this just goes to show you what foraging can do, you know? As you can see, it's obviously a blackberry. Gosh, so good. It has just the right amount of sweet and tartness to it. It has an equal ratio, and it's, oh man, it's good. Whew. I'm gonna have one more. I gotta stop myself after this because I'm saving some for my roommate. But those are just delicious, delicious fruits you can partake in. And if you live over on the West Coast, or not the West Coast, if you live over on the East Coast, these things grow anywhere around Virginia. These things grow everywhere. I don't know if it's the same for everyone on the East Coast, but I know around here in Virginia, these things grow anywhere. They prefer like places with lots of brush, mainly because they need part shade. They take about, I don't know, about 2 or 3 months to flower and fruit and fully ripen its fruit. But this is like a plant that a lot of people overlook, I feel like. I mean, the berries that you get, like, yeah, they're nowhere close to the size of supermarket blackberries, but man, are these a heck of a lot tastier than them. So good. Full of antioxidants. And I like to consider it a nature snack, kind of. Because it's definitely a snacking food. You could just, if there's a field of them, you could just walk through and just pop them in your mouth and eat. They're one of my favorite fruits. And yeah, this is just something that was just growing in my parents' neighborhood. Wasn't on anybody's property line or anything like that. So I just decided to pick them. Surprisingly, no one else has picked them, so I'm kind of like reaping the harvest. There's still a bunch more to be ripened, but I had like 20 or 30 blackberries that I harvested, which was pretty good. It's not even July yet, but they've already ripened. And to be honest, I'd been watching that for a few weeks, been ready to pick and harvest those. They finally started ripening. So next week when I go over there should be even more there. Hopefully, that is the goal. So it's just a prime example of what foraging can do. You know. But anyways, guys, I'll be back on with that garden update video on that other garden. Anyways, guys, take it easy.